Willkommen in der Galerie LIK, wo heute eine Ausstellung der besonderen Art eröffnet wird. Zu bestaunen sind Werke des Fotografen Dave Shannon.
The inspiration was primarily what I like to shoot. So I've shot analog photography all my life, and the exhibition is based on that. So I find beauty in things that are old, that are what most people would say getting past their best life. And an example would be the photographs that you can see behind me. So a snapshot in time of the old wine house in the village where I live, but it's no longer there, so you can no longer see it. Someone's modernised it, and I like to capture that before the developers come in, as it were, or things the graffiti is removed, or as we get older and don't want to have our photographs taken, it's important that we capture that. My favourite picture is probably the picture that you see as you come into the gallery. It was taken on the first day of end of lockdown, and we saw a lady we knew, asked if I could take a picture, because of course I had my camera with me, and she said yes, and then proceeded to walk away from me. But thankfully she just walked into the sunlight, and I captured her just standing there enjoying the sun. How long have I been photographing? Gosh, I'm going to give my age away. A long time. So I started as a teenager, so 40 years. My father gave me a 35mm Voigtlander rangefinder camera. I remember trying to work it out, find out how it worked, how the light meter worked. Of course, it used film. What makes analog photography special to me? I guess it reminds me of my childhood. It's the smell of the chemicals. It's the process that takes time. It's a well thought out process. You don't know the results that you get in the camera. So you have to make sure it's right in camera rather than just checking the back of your screen. And yeah, analog photography is just through process as well, from taking, developing and printing. And I do that all at home as well. So I do shoot digital, but analog is the passion.